Welcome! In this video, we'll show you the new product section in CostMiner, how it can be used across your jobs and how to create your first purchase order. CostMiner's new products section lets you manage a central list of materials or items, each linked to a supplier. You can add products manually or import them from a supplier price list. Once set up, these products can be used in job estimates, global rates, and to create purchase orders. To begin assigning products, first make sure the product column is visible in your estimate. You can turn it on by clicking the Coles button at the top of your estimate and checking Product. Now, if you already have an estimate item in place, you can add a product to it by clicking into the product cell and selecting one from your list. Alternatively, if you're adding a new item directly from your product list, just click into the description field, switch to the Products tab in the search pop-up, and choose the product you want to insert. Finally, the Products tab gives you a summary of all products used in this job, grouped by supplier and showing total costs. To create your first purchase order, go to the Purchase Orders tab in the job. You can start by clicking the New button in the Purchase Orders panel, then drag your estimate items into the empty list below. Alternatively, you can drag the same items directly into an existing purchase order in the list on the right-hand side. Once you've added items to your purchase order, you can now update the order details. Here you can adjust the supplier, delivery date, delivery address, status, and add a description or remarks if needed. You can also edit the quantities or rates for individual products, and the totals will update automatically. This gives you full control over your purchase order before finalising and sending it to your supplier. On the right-hand side, you'll see all your purchase orders at a glance. Use the filter buttons to show draft, sent, or delivered orders. You can also select multiple orders using Shift-click and choose Bulk Actions from the drop-down. Let's click into one of these orders to preview what it looks like. That's how to use the new products section in CostMiner and create your first purchase order. For more help, visit our knowledge base and subscribe for more videos.